Animals have a world of their own, one that we often overlook. But what if I told you that animals communicate with each other and with us in ways that are both fascinating and complex? Today, we're diving into the world of animal communication. Get ready to explore how animals speak to one another, express their needs, and even interact with us humans. It's more than just a bark, meow, or chirp. There's a whole language we can learn from them. Let's start with the masters of the sea, the dolphins. Dolphins are known for their advanced communication skills. They use clicks, whistles, and body movements to convey messages. They even have names for each other. Researchers have discovered that dolphins can recognize and respond to specific whistles, much like how humans use names. Their social structure relies heavily on communication to maintain group harmony and share information about food, danger, and territory. Now, let's travel to the African savanna and meet the lions. Lions, like many big cats, have a rich vocal repertoire that includes roars, growls, and grunts. The mighty roar is their way of marking territory and asserting dominance, but it also communicates to other members of the pride. Mother lions, on the other hand, use softer vocalizations and body language to comfort their cubs and establish bonds. Their communication is not just about warning of danger but about forming deep emotional connections within the pride. And then there are birds. Many species of birds use song as a means of communication. But it's not all about making beautiful melodies for us to enjoy. Birds sing to attract mates, mark their territory, and communicate with others in their flock. Each species has its own unique set of calls, and some birds, like crows, are so intelligent they can even recognize individual humans based on their interactions. It's a reminder that birds are not only musical creatures, they're social and strategic communicators as well. But animal communication isn't just about wild animals. Our pets, like dogs and cats, communicate with us every day. Take dogs, for example. A wagging tail, a raised paw, and even the way they tilt their head, it's their way of expressing curiosity, affection, or excitement. And while we may not understand every signal, our furry friends are constantly speaking to us through body language and vocalizations. Then there's the purr. Cats purr when they're content, but did you know that cats also purr to communicate with us when they're seeking attention or even to heal themselves? It's a form of self-soothing and a way of reaching out to us. Some animals even share their thoughts with us through sign language. Meet Coco, the famous gorilla who learned American Sign Language. Coco could communicate her thoughts, express her feelings, and even tell jokes through signs. Her ability to communicate showed us that animals have the potential for much deeper cognitive abilities than we ever realized. So, whether it's a whale's song, a bird's call, a lion's roar, or the wag of a dog's tail, animals communicate in ways that are both intricate and meaningful. The language of animals may not be the same as ours, but it's clear, they have their own voices, their own messages, and their own way of connecting with the world. Next time you're in the presence of an animal, take a moment to listen. You might just hear them speaking to you in ways you never expected. And remember, communication isn't always about words. Sometimes, it's the silences, the gestures, and the subtle signals that speak the loudest. If you enjoyed learning about animal communication, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating videos on the wonders of the animal kingdom.